Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken sub in Grand Theft Auto V. This exclusive submersible is a fantastic addition for exploring the vast underwater world. To acquire it, you'll need to complete a series of specific challenges within the game. Once unlocked, the Kraken provides unparalleled speed and maneuverability beneath the waves, making treasure hunting and secret discovery much more exciting. It's a rewarding vehicle for any dedicated player. Your journey to the Kraken sub begins with the Wildlife Photography Challenge. As Franklin, you must photograph 20 different animals scattered throughout the game's expansive map. This task requires keen observation and patience, as some creatures are elusive. Ensure you get a clear shot of each animal using your in-game phone camera to register it successfully. Completing this challenge is the primary requirement for unlocking the submersible. After capturing each animal, you must submit the photo to the designated contact within the game. A confirmation message will appear on your screen, indicating a successful submission. It's crucial to ensure every photo is properly sent to count towards your progress. You can easily track how many animals you've photographed and submitted through your in-game menu or a specific checklist. Keep going until all 20 are accounted for. Once you've successfully photographed and submitted all 20 animals, you'll receive an in-game notification confirming your achievement. Following this, the Kraken sub will become available for purchase from the DocTease website within the game. Head over there, and you can acquire your very own high-speed submersible to explore the ocean depths. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy exploring!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.